Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I think I'm going to try another blow dryer pour like the one I did before, and it was a re-pour, and I ended up selling it anyway, and I don't have one. I did a second one and I gave it to my daughter, so I want one for myself or to sell or whatever, depending on how well it turns out. So it's going to be a blow dryer pour, and I'm going to use Pthalo Turquoise. And this time, instead of going with the purple that I mixed, I bought Prism Violet Liquitex Basics. I've never used this color before. And white Artist Loft Flow. So I'm going to put down a puddle. This is pretty thin stuff. Hopefully thin enough. And the way I did it last time that I had pretty good luck with, I went around and made a bigger circle with the blue turquoise, and that was what I blew out a little bit first. Then I went in with the purple. So let's see if we can get this to move. Hopefully I got everything thin enough, so I will mute the blow dryer. Now this faded out more than I wanted it to. This was what I wanted. So we'll see what we can do now. I had a lot of white on there, which you want white in the middle. If you don't have it, you'll end up with a dry spot. I've had that happen before. So we still have some white in there. Put just a little more. We'll try this. I've never done this before. We'll see. Turquoise not quite thin enough. Not quite thin enough. So let me check this. I think I'm gonna thin it down a little bit after seeing how that moved. Pretty thin. I do want it to go. Not crazy about this right here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. It's not what I wanted, but it's pretty. It's just not exactly what I wanted and was going for. So there's one thing I want to run that right off the edge. So I think I'm gonna have to be satisfied with it. This Prism Violet is not nearly as dark as the Dioxazine Purple, which I debated on, but I have had that purple and it's so hard to lighten it up to me. And you want it to be that deep, you know, rich color in the middle, because that's what gives you like your 3-dimension. But this is pretty. I've got cells and the design is pretty. So I'm gonna leave it alone. I think it'll be fine. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna take the camera down now and give you a close-up. Okay, so this is how it turned out. And I have some cells up in there. Let me get the camera to adjust. I've got some in the white. That really blended out right there. This is really gorgeous up in this corner. This is pretty, where it flared out there and made some little tinies. This is pretty. So it could have been a lot worse. I mean, it's not my favorite of any that I've ever done, but it could have been a lot worse. So I'm going to leave it. I think these cells just popped up right here. And let it dry. This is a 12 by 12 inch gallery wrap canvas, by the way. So thank you for watching.